Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to sum where your range includes errors. Now this will work for a row or a column. I'm going to do it with rows. So I'm going to give you two solutions. The first solution will work whatever version of Excel you're using. And we're going to use the aggregate function. So the first thing you need to do is specify a function number. So here are your function numbers. We want to sum. So we're going to choose 9, comma. Then you have the options argument, and we want to ignore error values. So that's 6, comma. And then you have to specify your array, so the range of cells that you're adding up. Then you close the bracket and press enter, and you get your answer. Now there is a slightly simpler solution if you have Excel 365. We can use SUM, but within SUM you use if-error. And the values are the values you're trying to add up. And then the value if error, you want to return as 0. Then you close the bracket for if error and then for SUM.